Click on the link below to get price. The LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike is an impressive contribution to the world of electric folding bikes. Weighing in at a mere 48 pounds, this bike strikes an excellent balance between portability and robust performance. The folding feature is particularly convenient for urban commuters and those with limited storage space, as it folds easily in seconds, allowing for effortless transport in cars, public transportation, or even for storage at home. In terms of performance, the 500W motor delivers a smooth and powerful ride, enabling speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The bike also boasts a 48V lithium-ion battery, which offers an impressive range of 45 miles on a single charge, allowing for longer rides without the constant worry of battery depletion. Riders can choose from 5 levels of pedal assist, allowing for a customizable riding experience that can suit both leisurely rides and more rigorous commutes. The bike's frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. The 20-inch tires provide a stable ride, and the front suspension system helps absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, making it suitable for various terrains. The disc brakes are responsive and reliable, enhancing safety during rides. Furthermore, the ergonomic design features an adjustable seat and handlebars, making it comfortable for riders of different heights. The bike also comes equipped with integrated front and rear lights, adding an essential safety feature for night riding. Overall, the LECTRIC XP Lite 2.0 electric bike stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile, portable, and high-performing electric bike. Its combination of power, range, and user-friendly features makes it a top contender in the electric bike market, catering especially to urban dwellers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're looking to zip through city streets or tackle weekend trails, this bike provides a reliable and enjoyable riding experience.